Hey, listen, a rubber diaphragm. Beautiful Zenith Stromberg carburetor. Recently, I received a comment from my viewer. He said that SU better than Stromberg. So let's argue. But we don't want to really argue, we just want to compare these two beautiful brilliants from European cars. If you love European cars, probably you're familiar with these beautiful constant depression carburetors. Today we're going to compare, and really, let's look which more reliable, more better tuning can be possible for which one of them. Patrick's Garage. And you know that they spread wider, SU spread wider, it's really, and a lot of spare parts available, a big library of needles for more better tuning for your particular case, for your engine, which needle need, and you want to tune this fuel mixture, and you want to replace these needles for tuning carburetor. And this is really a myth that if you replace this beautiful Zenith Stromberg British carburetor and you'll install SU carburetor, you can achieve additional horsepower. Not exactly, but yes, tuning will be a wider variety of tuning because a lot of spare parts available and more cars used SU carburetors. Yes, and because of that aftermarket wider than for our beautiful Zenith Stromberg carburetor. I prefer Stromberg carburetor, and a lot of years I'm really impressed by this design. They're more responsive, I think, because of this membrane. We can compare piston inside of SU carburetor, but with more precise SU carburetor, this piston without membrane, and it works in the cylinder and it can be worn, but membrane you can easily replace. Yes, this piston can work 40 years. No argue that SU carburetor, it works 40 years, this piston inside SU carburetor. But here we have piston. Hey, listen, a rubber diaphragm. A rubber diaphragm inside this Stromberg carburetor. Yes, if it will broken, carburetor, it can't work without diaphragm or with broken diaphragm. But it works approximately 5 years without problems, this diaphragm. It's original diaphragm, or you can repair this carburetor easily by piece of pocket, from grocery. If you go from grocery and your diaphragm broken, any granny can repair this diaphragm with pocket from grocery. And this is old, really old cars. And if your granny can achieve perfect driving with these carburetors, what she wants, probably they great enough for granny. These carburetors, these old cars, for what? These old cars, you don't want to go every day to work, riding around each day these cars. This is cars just for granny to go to grocery. For what? This perfect tuning, But yes, for really nerds which prefer precise tuning, they need this wide library of these needles which available for SU carburetors. Standard needle for Stromberg carburetor. You can modify your Stromberg carburetor. You can adjustable piston you can use for this Stromberg, and you want to use Allen wrench if you want to tune this Stromberg by adjustable measuring needle from the engine with the same volume. You know, if it's a 2-liter engine, you want to use a needle for 2-liter engine. I did so, and it works perfectly fine by adjusting Allen wrench from the top, from the bottom here. I also used bottom adjusting method, and you can install for if this carburetor just with this simple plug. They were equipped with this simple plug because pressed in jet inside, not manually adjustable jet, but you can install as option, and you can tune your Stromberg carburetor for your oven desires, for your oven needs. Yes, it's better to use this adjustable main jet for your Stromberg, so you can tune this Stromberg. Another aspect called start device. At a wide range of temperatures, it starts great. This is Stromberg with cold start device, not like in older models of Strombergs. They were equipped with starting bar, you know, not so big diameter of venturi, but they were also the same principle, like SU uses the same principle by lowering the jet. Main jet goes lower or needle goes higher, so to achieve a richer mixture. And you know, SU uses this method by lowering the main jet, they achieve this starting mixture which require. But Stromberg, they, you know, here you see a cold start device. This is like, you know, additional carburetor and additional fuel goes inside when you want to start your carburetor. You pull your cold start device engaged, and additional gasoline goes to your carburetor. Like additional carburetor, this cold start device. But previous models, they used a starting bar to lift a little bit piston. Basically the same method like SU uses by lowering main jet to achieve a richer mixture during start, cold start. So, main differences. Piston, you know, SU without any diaphragm, just piston metal to metal. It will wear, but not so fast, 40 years plus probably. And thing is that a lot of guys prefer SU for great tunability, as they suppose. So they want to change the Stromberg. Probably you can buy their Stromberg in better condition. But yes, this is diaphragm, not so a long time of work in this diaphragm, but this is diaphragm. Dirt cheap, you can replace it easily. Yes, if we compare not modified Stromberg with SU, of course, easier to adjust SU carburetor, but you know, this is period of 140 series Volvo when they were supplied with pressed-in main jet, like particular this carburetor, but it's from 240 series, but the same principle. And pressed in main jet, a non-adjustable needle, yes, but you can modify your Stromberg. You can install adjustable main jet, you can install piston with adjustable needle, like Triumph, Jaguar, with the same problems of impossibility to adjust this carburetor. So, how you think which carburetor is better? I want to admit that we have our preferences. I was impressed by this carburetor. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.